me share my screen. Okay, yes, you can hear me fine. And okay, I'm presenting now. Now, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
I
We
think there
can
is
see
bit
you.
delay. Okay, yes, chalo. Chalo, we will start. As always, we will have some exercise before class. Now, we will have some neurobics as usually. Have seen these two, three, we have seen these four images yesterday. And okay, chalo, type it in the chat box. Images that you can see in this picture. Chalo, type it in the chat box. What are the images that you can see in the picture? One skeleton, yes. Two babies with a puppy. Yes or no? One is skeleton, very good. Okay, skeleton. And can you see any other image? Yes. Can you see two little girl holding a puppy in the center? See, two bears. Okay, okay, okay. What have you given it? Yes, girl, two girls. Aditi have given it. Very good. Puppy, yes, good. Very good. Very good. So you have already given it right. Very good, very good. Okay. Shabash, shabash, very good. Chalo, we'll see one more image now. So, chalo, tell me what are the images that you can see here? You can see my screen. Okay. Tell me what are the images that you can see. Yes, we can see a couple and with their cute little baby. Yes, you can see a couple with a cute little baby. Yes, a dog, a wolf, anything is fine. Yes, you can say that. Yes, a family. Yes, a dog. Okay, wolf, anything is right. Yes. So you all find it right. So Ram raised his hand. Ram, what Amma, what you raised your hand? Any doubt?
Sir, can't
You
hear
can
your
unmute
voice
yourself and tell me.
properly, sir.
You can't hear my voice.
Properly can't
Friends,
hear,
can you
sir.
tell me if you can hear my voice or if there is any problem?
Yes,
No,
sir.
no, just increase your volume,
It is
and if possible, try just leave the group and leave the page and just join it again. Okay, leave the meeting and join it again.
I
Most of them
can't
can
understand
hear me.
what
They are saying that.
you
No? Just
Maybe even the
you now
problem with
leave the meeting, Amma.
okay, sir.
it, a speaker option is there, sir. When we click
Meet.
on it, phone we can hear, sir.
See that. Try that also once if possible. Chalo. Now is it clear till here? You can find the image exactly as a baby, father, mother, and a wolf. Very good. Yes, very nice, very nice. Okay, chalo. We will have one more. We will see it tomorrow. We have seen two images now. So yesterday we have seen some special cases. Yes or no? That is to solve the power of tens with any number given. So for example, now let me give you one question. You will answer the chat box. For example, 1000 minus 368. Hello, type in the chat box. What is the statement or line of formula we will use? First type that and followed by type the answer. Tell me that first. Dot method, not dot method. Amma. Dot method is used for what? Tell me, friends. Anna, tell me for what we use dot method. Yes, all from 9 and last from 10. Very good. For subtraction, in this case, we will use all from 9 and last from 10. Yes, dot method is for addition. Akshara said it right. Very good. Dot method is used for listed additions. Yes, no. Yes, very good. So yes, your answers, most of your answers are right. Most of your answers are right. Chalo, let me solve it first. So what we will do, we will first check number of zeros are equal to the given number that to be subtracted. And we will do all from 9 and last from 10. We will do all from 9 and last from 10. That is, first we will do, that is 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Next what we will do,
answer
9
is
minus
632.
6. No, no, okay. Just type in the chat box. Huh? It's not new concept. Yesterday we have seen it, na? Yes. Yes. You're finally 632. Most of you have already given it right. Shabash, very good. Shabash, very good. See, Nana, most of you haven't submitted your assignment. Yesterday's assignment, na? Most of you
Yes,
haven't
sir, I
submitted.
submitted.
Submit
I am
your
also
assignments
submitted, sir.
regularly, okay? If you have any
Yesterday only I
queries regarding
submitted.
assignment, na, you can ask here. Okay.
Sir, will you
Okay,
get
Nana,
the
good, very
assignment
good.
or not?
632 is 632 is.
Sir, will you receive the assignment?
Yes, Nana, that's why I'm saying, na, I receive your assignments. I have seen scores also. That's why I'm asking. Very less
Sir, I
members
got 15
have
out
given
of
your
15.
assignments.
I got 15 out of 15.
Shabash, very good.
I am also, sir, 15 of the.
Shabash, very good.
I am
Okay.
also, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I am
Arey,
also.
Okay.
Sir, I am
Sir,
also.
I am also.
Okay. We will. Yaar. Stop that topic. We will change our topic. Okay. Now see. Yesterday, one of our friends have asked me a beautiful question. See, instead of 1,000, if you 2,000, if you have 2,000 minus, for example, you will take 258. How you will do it? Type your answers in the chat box. Solve it, and we discuss it. We will discuss it. Okay. Number 1, borrowing is strictly restricted. Okay. Sutra or our state formula 9 and last from 10. And this is bit tricky question. It's not that hard. Okay. Tell me 2,000 minus 258. Very
Sir,
simple.
answer is
It's not possible.
1742.
Arey beta. Nana, just tell it in the chat box. You're suddenly telling I put on a earphone. Na? I was shocked. Okay. Just yes, your answer is 1742 is the right answer. Most of you given also. Very good. Okay. So now I will tell those who didn't get it. Na? What is our life statement? That is all from 9 and last from 9. One change that you need to do is, for suppose if you have here instead of 1,000, 2,000 or 3,000 or 4,000 like that, na, then what you will do, you cancel that 2 and subtract 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? Tell me. 1. 1 minus 1 is 1. And now the thing 3, you know what to do. That is all from 9 and that is 9 minus 2 is, yes, 1. Yes. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 9 minus what is 5? Minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. And what? And last one, with what you will subtract? Tell me. All from 9, last from 10. Yes. Now 10 minus 8. What 10 minus 8? It is 1742. 842. Most of you have given the right answer. Very good. Now we will see this type of question 2 more, and we will go to our regular class again, regular concepts again. You tell me what is this answer? Minus 9. Okay, I will give you 93. Solve it and put your answer in the chat box. And if you didn't understand, raise your hand, come to you. If you didn't understand, raise your hand, I will come to you. Raise your hand off this microphone. Click the button so that I can see who raised your hands and I will come to you.
I have one doubt, sir.
Nana, raise your hand, I can properly address you, okay? Did you raise your hand so I can come to you?
I don't have that option to raise hands.
Nana, where are you watching? I mean, are you watching the class laptop or mobile phone?
Sir, but my phone is last version.
Okay, no problem. We will go with Varnika first and followed by Akshar. Sai 3, right? Akshara. Okay.
7037.
Varnika, tell me.
70.
Sir,
Varnika, tell Amma.
you have minus in 2000, you have minus 1, no, sir. In everything, you have to minus 1 only.
Yes, Amma. What na? In the mode of general solution, what you will generally take a borrow from that, na? Generally borrow means how much you will take? Borrow means you will take one. You will take one from that and you will take. So for every number, you will always minus one only. Always minus one. Okay, did you get it? We will
yes,
solve this next question. And okay, then if you got it, tell me the answer in the chat box now. If you got the answer, tell me the answer in the chat box. Put your answer in the chat box.
sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, I did not understand. Why did you subtract 2 minus 1, sir?
Okay, Nana. See, I will tell this question. Now I will repeat the question. Go to Akshara. Akshara, what is your doubt? Amma, tell me.
That is only, sir. I
Varnika, I can't find you.
did one.
Okay, you didn't understand. No problem. Varnika, I can't find your answer yet. Okay, did you get the answer? Where is your answer? Okay, do it carefully. No problem. We will discuss it. So generally, what you will do? Generally, what you will do? First, see, 4,000 minus 963. Directly use all from 9 and last from 10. Directly we will use all 9 and last from 10. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here what happened? Instead of one, you have another number like 5, 6, and 8, and any number, any digit. For example, here we have 8. No. So
Okay.
generally we have one here. What you will do? One, you will cancel the one. You will consider one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You will don't consider that one. But we have 8 na.
Yes, sir.
You have 8 now. What you will do is you will subtract from 8. You will subtract 1 from 8. Means what? 1 from 8. So how much it will get remained? So, can you hear my voice? Is it clear? First tell me if yes in the chat box. If no, I'll
Yes,
check
sir.
this out again.
For a few
So
people,
some of
voice
your
is
my
breaking.
voice is.
Actually, your voice is breaking, sir.
I don't know why.
Once rejoin.
Okay, yaar.
Yeah.
Actually, there's a problem with my microphone also.
Sir, your voice is
One
breaking.
second. Okay. Let me check it again. I will
Sir, your
rejoin
voice
again.
is
Amma, no
breaking.
problem.
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. I will sort it out.
137,
Give
sir,
me
answer.
a minute.
137, sir, answer.
Sir, once try to rejoin. I request people to wait for 30 seconds. Sir will rejoin once.
Okay,
So
sir.
friends, now can you listen to me? Is it audible?
No, sir, it's breaking.
No, sir.
Okay, sir.
Breaking.
Yes, sir.
Audible, just increase your volume. Okay, some of you are saying no, some of you are saying yes. I didn't get what's the problem yet. Okay.
Fine now.
Can you hear me now? Increase my
No, sir,
volume
your
also.
voice is
Yes,
breaking.
sir.
Okay. अरे यार.
137, sir, answer. Answer
Some of you are
137.
saying. So can you rejoin once again? Let us check. Let it out. Actually, I don't know what's the problem. Some of you are saying okay.
Yeah, now it is okay, sir. Now it is clear.
Now it is okay. Okay then. Okay. Chalo, now we will discuss the see question here. See, 8,000 minus 963. So what we did here? Sai Sri just see it.
137,
Yes.
sir. Answer 137.
You will
Yes, sir.
not 137. How is it 137? Yeah. See. Let's solve it together. Solve with me. So you need to
37, sir, sorry,
subtract.
37. Sir,
1,737. See, 1,007. Sorry, don't confuse me, yaar. You will solve it together. Get it in the chat box, yaar. Why? put in that box. Let me check first. You're continuously confusing. See, you'll say, okay, now you gave it
Sir,
right.
it's
Yes, Lalit,
literally
you are right.
breaking.
Still, it's breaking.
Literally, sir. Literally.
Little. Okay, I will sort it out. See now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
No,
I can hear you.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah. If
Your
possible,
voice
just
is breaking, sir.
again, so give me a minute then. I will sort it out actually.
Yes, sir.
Give me a minute. I will. Mm. Oh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. We can able to
Yes,
hear.
sir.
Let's type S in the chat box. We will continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then.
Sir, so we should subtract 1 from the first digit and follow the same rule. All from line, last from 10. Sir. Sir. Sir.
Sir.
Yeah, one moment, please wait. Sorry, checking out. One moment.
So can you hear me now?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे
Yes,
यार
sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे type S in the chat box if yes यार. Most of your
Yeah, now it
confusion
is okay, sir. I think
Some you
few
are
people have
saying
internet connection. Once try to rejoin. Who have the problem? Try to rejoin.
okay. Some you are saying yes. Some you are saying no.
Now your voice is clear, sir.
Now it's clear, na? Okay
Yes,
then.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay then. We will continue. We will continue. A small disturbance, no problem. We will cover it up with 5 more minutes extra in the class. No problem. Okay. Chalo. Let me solve this. And we will do it. Okay. If anyone raise your hand. Saisri, did you get it, Amma? Saisri, if yes, type as in okay. Okay. See, I will solve this question. First, what you need to do, you need to subtract 1 and subtract 1 from 8. What is 8 minus 1? What is 8 minus 1? Type it in the chat box. 8 minus 1.
8
7.
minus 1,
Very good.
7.
7. Very good. Very good. Now for the remaining part, you will do. For the remaining part, you will do all from 9 and last from 10. So that is 9 minus 9 is
0.
Hero, 0, hero. Okay, 0. Very good. So what is 9 minus 6? 9 minus 6 is 3. Shabash, very good.
Sir.
Yes. And what is 9 minus? What you need to do is what you need to take now. Say 10 minus 3 or 9 minus 3. The last digit, yes, 10 minus 3. You saw, I also got bit confused in the class, okay? You should not get confused. So you need to have the sutra or the state of line in your mind always. Yes, 10 minus 3. What is 10 minus 3?
7.
7. So the final answer is 7037. Yes, 7037. Shabash, very good, very good. Let me give one last question so that and I will address your doubts if any in this topic so that you can see, okay? Now for 30,000 minus 4 5. Okay. Tell me this answer. If you have any doubt, just raise your hand. I will come to you, Amma. No problem. So no one are raising hand in the sense you have clear with this topic, right? Then I want your answers. Anant, you have raised your hand and Mama put it in the chat box. Some of our friends have doubts. Now we will clear their doubts. Okay. Okay. Anant, what is your doubt, Amma? Tell me.
Sir, once explain one more time, sir.
Okay, Nanna, I will explain this. No problem. We will go to Lakshanya. Amma, can you pronounce your name once? I can't pronounce it properly. And tell what is your doubt, Amma? What is your doubt, Nanna? Tell me.
మీరు ఇందాక
tell me.
8,000 అని రాశారు కదా,
Yes, Amma.
మళ్ళీ 8 దగ్గర 7 ఎట్లా వస్తుంది?
Okay. Arey yaar, you didn't get the base of concept now. Chalo, I will tell you once again. Did you join late for class or what? 5 minutes late ఏమైనా అయిందమ్మా class joining కి?
Yes sir.
Okay, no problem. Chudu. See here carefully. So, in yesterday's class, Anant, you also listen, Amma. See, I'm repeating it again. See, last time we will go to the topic again. Next time. See, in the yesterday's class, what we did.
9 from 10.
All from 9 and last from 10 for any numbers with power 10. 10 power any number. For example, 100 minus 45. We solved this question yesterday, yes or no? 100 minus 45. What we did? We did all from 9 and last from 10.
4 and 10 minus
Um,
5.
10 minus 5, yes. So first what you did, you cancel this one. And then what you did? 9 minus 4, which is 5. And 10 minus 5 is 5. 55. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So see for suppose, if you have 2 instead of 1 here, then what you will do now? This is some change in the question only. Very simple. What you do now, instead of cancelling 2 directly, what you do 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? What is 2 minus 1?
One, sir. One, sir.
2 minus 1 is 1. Yes. So put 1 over here and do all from 9 and last from 10 as it is. Do all from 9 and last from 10 as it is. So then what you will get all from 9 last from 10 means 55. So final answer will be 155. Lakshanya, did you get it, Amma? I will tell one more question if not, no problem.
Sir, I got it. Sir, I got
Okay,
it.
Amma. Okay, Amma, very good. Anand, did you get it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, Amma, then unmute yourself and we'll go to Lakshanya. Lakshanya, did you get it, Amma? If yes, type yes in the chat box. If you can't unmute yourself, or else we will see one more question and we will go to the topic. So, did you answer this question? Let me see in the chat box first. Okay, most of you have given correct answers. Very good. So 39,545, 39,545. Very good.
Sir,
Tell Amma.
if 4 దగ్గర 5 ఉందనుకో, అప్పుడు దాని ముందు నెంబర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్
Example చెప్పమ్మా. No problem. Example చెప్పు ఒకటి. Example.
5 నెంబర్ ఉంటే దానికన్నా ముందు నెంబర్ 4 కదా, 4 మైనస్ చేసి అది 1 వస్తుంది.
Okay. Don't confuse. See, you should subtract only with one. Okay, now see, for example, in the same question, see, for example, 400 minus 45. So tell me what you need to do. You need to subtract 1 from 4. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది కదా, you subtract 1 from 4. What is 4 minus 1?
3.
3. Very good. 3. And then subtract all from 9 and last from 10 for the remaining part. So what you will do here, tell me. So 9 minus 4 is
9 minus 4 and
And?
10 minus 5.
Shabash. Very good. 10 minus. Yes, your final answer is 355. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes. No problem, Amma. Okay. Did you get this right now? Now tell me, Lakshmi, you should tell me the next question, and we will change this topic. Okay. Now tell me this question, and we will go to the next topic for match and mismatch combinations. Okay. Okay. See. Now tell me 400 minus 86. Now tell me the answer. Take your time. Remaining people, you should tell the answer in the chat box. I can't find your answers in the chat box. Chalo, tell me. Yeah.
Sir, answer is
Shahida, you are wrong. Check it again. In my phone, no charging. Are yeah, put charging na in the laptop. Yes, some of you have given it right. Tejas, check it Amma, you are wrong.
sir,
Shahida,
answer is
314.
Yes, sir, answer is
Yes.
Subtract 1 from the first digit.
314.
Yes, 314 is the answer. Did you put in the chat box? You are simply telling in it, so I can see your name now. That's why if you put it in the chat box, I can see if you are right or wrong. So Lakshmi, yaar, what? See, you are wrong, Amma. See, check this again. Check it neatly. Lakshmi, you are wrong. You did small mistake. See, 400 minus 86 you need to do, na?
I know. You told no, sir.
Tell me.
First, you do this one.
Which one?
40,455.
Okay. You do this one first then. I will tell that, okay? Do this one, 400 minus 84. 40,001 you did small mistake. You should check that part. I will discuss it. First, do this part once. 400 minus 86. See, most of you have given it right. Shahida, very good. You are right. Okay, type your answer in the chat box. 3. Okay, Shahida, you are right. Very good. Yashashri, you are right. Sharanya also right. Tejasvi, you are right. Very good. Okay, I think most of you have given your answers. Chakradhar also right. Lateshwar, Zerina, very good. Pushpalata, very good. Sujata, very good. Laliteshwar, okay. Sneha, okay. 314, very good, Sneha. Very good. Shabash, very good. Okay, let's wait for our friend Lakshmi, and if she gets the answer, we will go to the next. Okay, Lakshmi, did you get the answer? If yes, type your answer in the chat box so that I can come to you. Okay, 314, you typed it already. Okay, very good. So now, did you get this concept right? Yes, you should subtract 1 from the first digit and follow the same rule as all from 9 and last from 10. So see this one, what is there? First you subtract 1 from last digit, that is 3. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3. Now see here, how many zeros are there, Amma? 4, na?
Yes, sir.
But we have to subtract with 100 only, 445. So what you will do? You put 0 before it, and from here you will do all from 9, last from 10. So some of you have given your answers wrong. 40 minus 1, that is also right. Yes, 40 minus 1 is fair. Yes. 39, yes. No, all from 9 and last from 10, you can do it here directly. Lakshmi, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Now we will go to the next concept now. We don't waste more time on this. Okay, I think it is clear for you now. Chalo. Yesterday we have seen regular subtractions. In regular subtractions, we say that if the subtraction don't have any borrow, then what we call them? What combinations we will call them?
Match combination.
Shabash, match combinations. If the subtraction, there is a case of taking borrow, then we will call them as a mismatch
Combination.
Mismatch combination. So we have seen general match combination subtractions yesterday. General match combination subtraction yesterday. You have solved all these questions very fast. You said it very fast. So now in the same way you will tell mismatch combinations also. Okay. Now please don't on your microphones. Carefully listen to this concept, and then if you have any doubt, just raise your hand. I will come to you. Okay. Just please don't on your microphones. Mute yourself, and we will go to the concept first, and then we will see. First, suppose, just tell your answers in the chat box, okay? Just tell your answers in the chat box. First question. See, we have a question. We have a question. What is the question? 33 minus 8. So first, what you need to do is, since there is nothing before 8, so you put a 0 here, okay? And then what is 3 minus 0? Please don't on your microphones. Tell me what is 3 minus 0. Answer me. I can't find your answers in the chat box. 3 minus 0 is 3. Very good. 3. So now what you need to do now? And you need to see the next number, next combination. That is 3 minus 8. What is 3 minus 8? Is it a match combination or a mismatch combination? Type it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box. Mismatch combination. Very good. So it is a mismatch combination. So what you will do? 3 minus 0 is 3. So what you will do is, since this is a mismatch combination, you will subtract 1 from 3. What is 3 minus 1? Type it in the chat box. What is 3 minus 1? 2. Very good. 2. So 2 will be the tens digit. Now listen carefully. For the 8, what you will do is, it is last digit, so you will subtract it from 10. All from 9 and last from 10 na? So it is the last digit, so you will subtract 10. So subtract 8 from 10. What is 10 minus 8? Tell me this. 2. Very good. Sharanya said it right. Very good. Chakradhar also. Yes. 2. Now 2, and you will add 2 to the above number. So above what is there? It is 3. What is 2 plus 3? 5. Very good. So you put 5 in your ones place. Put 5 in your units place. Okay. So what is the final answer now? Tell me, what is the final answer? 25. 25. Now you can ask any doubts. Raise your hand. I will come to you. If it is clear, type S in the chat box so that I will go. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. I will. Okay. Most of you have said yes. Okay, Nana. I will come to you now. We will solve it very carefully, and once again, no problem. So, what happened? Okay. So now we will see, and meanwhile our friends will save me this question, and we will go to the persons, our friends who have doubt. Tejasvi Amma, tell me what is your doubt, Nana? Tell me. Should I explain it again or any doubt in this part? Tejasvi, don't have any doubt.
By mistakenly, I pressed
Okay, Nana. Okay, no problem. So, okay, Yashashri, tell me, Amma, what is your doubt?
Sir, down you have kept 8, no sir, 0 and 8. Instead of that, we can put any other number like 33 minus 58, otherwise like that.
We will go now. First, we are doing it 2 digit minus 1 digit. How you will put 1 digit 55? It is only 1 digit, so let me complete it, okay?
Okay.
Then we will go to the 2 digit now. Then we will do that also, okay? No problem. You have any doubt in this part? Tell me that.
No, sir.
No. Okay, then down your hand and you can unmute yourself. Let me go to Varnika. Varnika, what is your doubt, Amma? Tell me.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Okay, Amma, no problem. We will see it again. See, we will see this question. Meanwhile, our friends will tell me the answer of this question in the chat box. So, See, listen carefully who didn't understand it, and Varnika, you should reply to me. Just unmute yourself and reply to me to my questions, okay? See, what is the question? 35 minus 7. 7 in the sense 0, 7. Yes or no? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, what you will do is, okay. Now first and foremost, you need to subtract. So, okay, first tell me, we will do subtraction from left to right or right to left? In our speed math, so how we will do our subtraction?
Left to right.
Left to right, very good. L to R, yes, left to right. So first, you will subtract 3 from 0. What is 3 minus 0, ma? Varnika, tell me. 3, very good. 3. Now, see the next combination. Next combination is what? 5 minus 7, na? 5 minus 7, yes or no? Yes, na? Yes. So, 5 minus 7 is a match combination or mismatch combination?
Match combination.
Very good. It is a mismatch combination. If you have a mismatch combination, then you will subtract 1 from it. That is 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1?
3 minus 1 is 2.
2. Did you get this step right? Did you get this step?
It was 5, na? So why did we subtract 3?
Which is 5, amma? See this part I am telling. See this part. First you will see this part first. And you subtract 3 minus 0 first. Okay? And after that what to do? After that, you will check the next part, that is match condition or mismatch condition. If it is a match condition, you won't subtract anything. You will directly note it down. If it is a mismatch condition, then you need to subtract 1 from it. If we go to the derivation part of the exact logic behind it, we will generally do carry. That is the logic. So, but we don't want to bring all those nonsense over here. So, we will subtract 1 from 3. What is 3 minus 1? Which is 2. Did you get this? Yes, 2. Nana, did you get this part?
Yes.
Varnika, okay. Very good now. Very good. So, now see. Now listen carefully. This part is also a bit tricky, but you'll get it very simple. See now, you have 7 na? So in our line of statement, all from 9 and last from what? 10. 10. So see, last digit is 7 only here. So you will subtract 7 with 10. What is 10 minus 7?
3.
3. Very good. 3. So you will add 3 to 5. What is 3 plus 5? What is 3 plus 5? Tell me.
8.
8. 3 plus 5 is 8. See, okay. So your final answer is 28. Did you get it now, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Varnik?
Sir, yes, sir.
Kind of.
Okay. Varnika. Nana, I am asking Varnika, yeah. You all are replying, okay. So, Varnika, did you get it?
Sir, the last part I didn't get, sir.
Okay, no problem. See, I will tell it again. So, as per our line of statement, what is our statements? All from 9 and?
Last from 10.
All from 9 and last from 10.
9 and last from 10.
Okay, so what you will do now? First, this 7, you will subtract with what digit? Last from what?
10.
You will subtract 7 from 10. So what is 10 minus 7?
3.
3, yes, 3. So you subtract 7 from 3, and now one small extra step, that is you need to add that one to 5. What is 3 plus 5?
Okay. 8.
What is 3 plus 5? 8. Okay. Now is it clear, Amma?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Shabash. Now if you got it, now tell me this next question, and meanwhile let's see how many of our friends have solved it. Okay, I will wait for your answer in chat box, and remaining, did you answer these all questions? Let me see in the chat box how many of you have answered it. Okay, Tejasvi, you have given all the answers, very good. Okay, Zarina, Zarina, check your answer once. Chalo, first tell me this question. 46 minus 8. What is 46 minus 8? One by one. Don't hurry, okay? One by one. What is 46 minus 8? I want to see all of you give it right, okay? I don't want anyone making it wrong. Sneha, you are right. 38. Yes, very good. 38. Varnika, I can't find your answer. Do it slowly, no problem, but get the concept correctly. Okay. Yashashri, you are wrong. Why, hurry, how it will come? Yeah, you are okay. 38, very good. Now you are right. Okay. Now tell me the next question. 54 minus 5.
Sir, your voice is resounding.
Some of you have on your mic.
54
Who is it?
minus
Let me
5. Now what is
carry
the
link. You don't on your mic, Amma. Okay, see, there is bit problem now. Okay, 49, very good. Varnika, did you get this part? Top one, solve it carefully, slowly, no problem. But tell me if you have any doubt. Very good. Next one is 68. 68, very good. Now tell me this question now. 84 minus 5. 84 minus 5. Anugnya have gave it right. Zarina, you are wrong. Check it again. For which you are giving answer? I ask you for 84 minus 5. Okay, 79. Very good, right? Yes. Zarina, now you have given your right answer. Laliteshwar is typing more again and again. Okay. 79 is right. Okay, tell me this question then. 66 minus 7. What is 66 minus 7? 66 minus 7 is 59. Very good. 59. Very good. Chalo, tell me the last question now. 92 minus 8. 92 minus 8 is 80. 4. Very good. Zarina, Sharanya, very good. Kamala, very good. Chakradhar, Ishri, Anusha, very good. All of you are right. Shabash. Laliteshwar, check that out. It's not 94 now. See it. Solve it carefully once again. Varnika, if you are there, just reply to me. Did you solve it, Amma? Is Varnika there in our chat?
Yes,
Or
sir.
did she left? Okay, she is in chat. Amma, did you get this question? I asked you for 46 minus 8. Did you solve it carefully and got the answer?
I put it in the chat box.
Okay. Because of the flow, now I didn't get it. Okay, then you got it, right?
Yeah, I
Okay.
just did it little slowly.
Okay, no problem. You got the concept right now?
Yes, sir.
Because when we go to the double digit minus double digit, that would play this important role. Okay, friends, see, we are late, so time is like 6:15. We will see double digit minus double digit tomorrow, and followed by multiplications also. Our last topic would be multiplications tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and actually we will see double digit minus double digit, and we will go to the squares now. Okay, before going that, just tell me if you have any doubts regarding this topic. If yes, raise your hands, or else we will go to the squares. In squares I won't tell subtractions. I am telling it straight away. Just tell me if you have any doubts, raise your hand, or else we will go to squares. Okay, you have no doubt. Okay, I'm seeing no one have raised your hands. Okay, then very good, clear. Tomorrow we'll go for double digit minus double digit and followed by multiplications. Zarina, okay, you put your hand down. Okay. Okay then I'm going to squares part now. Okay, where is the squares part? Let me check it. So okay, now type it in the chat box. What is 65 minus 65? Sorry, 65 into 65. Answer, give me the answer. You should give me the answers, yaar. You should revise it regularly, or else you will forget it and you will say, okay, when did I learn all this? Chalo, Okay, 4225. Very good. What is 80 square then? 80 square. Some of you gave this answer wrong. 80 square. 80 square.
Sir, 7200.
7200.
Yes, sir.
No, yaar.
Sir,
What is 80
is
square?
it 80 na or 80?
80. 80.
Oh, I have confused, sir.
Okay. Put it in the chat box. Let me check how many of you giving it right. Okay, Laliteshwari, Yashashri, you are right. Okay, very good. Chakradhar also gave it right. And okay, now tell me the answer for 18. 18 into 18. What is 18 into 18? Do it slowly, but give me the right answer. Don't give any wrong answers. 324, Akshay Sai Sri. You are very fast, yeah? Very good. Tell me what is 18 into 18. Very good. Most of you have given it right. Very good. Now tell me what is 16 into 16 then. What is 16 into 16? What is 16 into 16? So I can't find. Okay, do it slowly, but give me the correct answers. Okay. Shri, very good. Okay, Nima, Varshit. Okay, you give your previous one. Sharanya, Tejasvi. Okay, Sneha, Laliteshwar. Okay, you are right. Very good. Okay. There are someone on your mic. See some disturbance. Priyanka, please. Okay, not Priyanka. Sudhira, see, just unmute yourself, Mama. See. Okay.
Sir, yesterday you gave a last question in assignment 46 into 54.
Okay, I will solve that and I will go for that. Okay. Now tell me this last question for today, and we will see one assignment question topic, and we will go for next part of the squares. So 24 into 24. Tell me 24 into 24. Do it slowly, but tell me the correct answer. Oh, Sharanya, you are fast. You are very good. 576. Yashashri, very good. Laliteshwar, Zarina. Okay. Suhanavi. Okay, Chakradhar, Anusha, very good. Sneha, very good. Okay, now see, yesterday I have put one question. This is a special case of multiplication. Varnika, okay, I will come to you, Amma. Just tell me, let me tell me this topic and I will come to you, okay? See, yesterday I have given one question in assignment that is something like this, same model. It's a special case in multiplication, that is 28 into 22. So can you tell me this answer in the chat box? Let me check. 28 into 22. You are right. Okay. Yashashri, you are right. Chakradhar, you are right. Anusha, Zarina, check it again. Nilma, you are wrong. Check it again. Akshara, very good. Shabash. Okay, you are very fast here. Okay, let me tell you. See, I will tell you this. It's very simple. Sneha, very good. Sriyanudnya, very good. See, first, this is in this model. What you will do? First, add the units place. 8 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? Put it in the chat box. What is 8 plus 2? 11. 10. Yes, 10. So, and your tens digit 2, both are same. Yes or no? So now for this condition, your tens digit is same. Yes, no? What is your tens digit in these places? In this multiplication that I have given, what is the tens digit? 2. Yes, 2. So now what you will do? Ekadikena purvena, you will apply 2 into 3. 2 into 3. What is 2 into 3?
6.
And then you will multiply this 2. That is 8 into 2. What is 8 into 2? Put it in the chat box. What is 8 into 2? 16. Very good. 16. That 16. Shabash. So what is your final answer? 616. Yes or no? Your final answer is 616. It is small question. We have already learned this logic, but we have learned with the numbers that ends with 5. But this is also that same case, na? So I have given the assignment. I want to check how many of you did it right, but most of you have given right answers only. Very good. Okay. Now we will see one more question of this type. Now tell your answers in the chat box. and I will go to Varnika. She had some doubt, I guess. I'll go to her. Okay, not this question. 82 into, sorry, 42, not it. Let me check. Oh yeah, I am giving always that only. 84 into 86. Okay, do it in the, do it and put it in the chat box. Varnika, what is your doubt, Amma?
Sir, I'm not getting that concept which you did yesterday also.
Which ones?
The 2-digit squares.
2-digit squares of, so like from 20 to 21 to 29, that part or which part, Amma? That part. Okay, what you do now, you wait for end of the class now. After that we will discuss your doubt again. We will see. Okay, no problem. Okay now. Okay, very good. See, I did you get this concept right? Okay, most of you are giving your answers.
224.
Okay, very good. Put it in the chat box. Okay, most of you have given your answers. 7224 is the right answer. Okay, Yashashri made a train of that number. Okay, very good, very good. Chakradhar, Anusha, very good, Amma. Laliteshwar. Okay, Zarina, Sujata, very good, very good. Now we will learn the squares from 31 to 39. So actually now the squares from 31 to 79 are of same method. If you listen here carefully, you will get that entire part. Today we will learn from 31 to 39 and tomorrow we will continue the same way. Okay. Now see here. So 31 minus 39. What you need to do now? Sorry, 31 to 39. So actually in multiplication we will use a concept of base method. When we will see multiplication, we will see the concept over there. Just put it in mind, and the extension of base method would be sub-base method. So what we do here from numbers from 31 to 39 is we will take the difference of number 50. For example, let me solve one square, that is 37 into 37. Okay. So now see, Amma, 37 into 37. So what you need to do is you will take the number 50 as a sub base here. So first what you need to do, you need to subtract 37 from 50. That is 50 minus 37. 50 minus 37. Okay, that is 50 minus 37. 50 minus 37. So what is 50 minus 37? Put it in the chat box. 50 minus 37 is 50. Sorry, what is 50 minus 37? 13. Yes, 13. You can do our basic okay, subtraction here. 13. So if you observe here carefully, what you can say, 37 is 13 less to become 50. Yes or no?
Sir, sir.
Yes. 37 is 13 less, means 37 needs how many numbers to become 50? 13. Yes, now? Yes. Most of you got it, I guess. Okay. Let me complete and we will tell. So now here, just remember 13 square. You know 13 square. What is 13 square? Put 13 square. What is 13 square?
59.
Put it in the chat box. So yes, 169. 169. Keep it aside. 169. 13 square is 169. Okay. 13 square is 169. Now next step is, what you need to do is you need to subtract the 13. You got here 13, na? You subtract 13 with 25. Did you get it? You need to subtract 13 with 25. Because why need to subtract 13 with 25? Because in order to become 50, 13 is less of 13. So 37 is less of 13. Yes or no? Okay, Kamala, I will come to you, Amma. Let me complete it. If you get this point, see, now put 169 here. Remember this part. And now tell me what is 25 minus 13. It is 12. 25 minus 13 is 12. So I don't want to go the logic behind it because now it would make you more confusing. I want to make it clear. If you want it, we can discuss it, no problem. So put 12 and again 169. 169. We have 169. Yes or no? We had 169 in this side. And now listen. Now we will use the carry method and we will transfer this one over here. And we add what is 12 plus 1, that is 13, and write the 16 as it is. So your final answer will be 1369. Your final answer will be 1369. So just raise your hand if you didn't get this concept. I will discuss one more question with you. If yes, type S in the chat box. If yes, if you understood it, type S in the chat box. Did you get it? Did anyone get it? Okay, some of you got it. Okay. No problem. I will come to you. We'll discuss one more question. How many of you raised your hands? Okay, 3 members raise your hands. Okay. Okay, let me tell it again, and so that let me ask what is the doubt. Okay, and let me tell it first. Okay, Sri Anugnya, what is your doubt, Amma? Should I repeat it again, or do you have any doubt?
Sir, can you please tell me how did we get 25 there?
Okay. Actually, I don't want to make it confusing, so I am not doing. See this? In the base of, actually we will take a concept of subbase. You know what is the square of 50? What is the square of 50?
25, sir.
50 square. Square of 50 is 2500. Na? The 25 came from here only. But we don't go to all those concepts. It would make somewhat confusing for you. So let me say one more question that would make you clearer. Okay, Kamala, what is your doubt, Amma? Tell me. Okay, you down your hand. Okay, Amma, no problem. Sri Anugya, should I repeat it again? Can I tell one more question? We will solve it together. Okay, chalo then. See?
We can't able to hear your voice.
Sir, you online?
Sir, you are an online.
Sir, you are offline, sir?
One moment. I think there is a problem with sir's internet connectivity. Wait for 15 seconds.
Okay, sir. Hello?
He's letting. Hello, sir.
Hello,
Yeah,
sir.
please wait for 15 seconds.
Ow.
Yes, I am online with my mobile network. So if you can hear me, just type S in the chat box. I will try in this way if I can share my screen and continue.
What
Or
happened?
else we will start bit early tomorrow and we will
Katta, sir, one.
continue. Okay.
Sir, we can hear you, sir. You can continue.
If you can see my screen, can you see my screen at least now?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Screen is not being shared, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, we can't see it.
No, sir.
No, sir, we can't see now.
Yeah,
No,
please wait
sir.
1 minute.
No, sir, we can't see the screen. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I can't see the screen, sir. Can't see screen, sir.
I can't see your screen, sir.
I can't see you screen, sir.
Sir is not shared screen.
Yeah, actually, what happened is Ramu sir is facing the, power issue. Power is not there. Now he's joining.
Okay, yeah. Now just now I got power back. We had a little problem with power cut now, so there is a problem with my LAN. Okay, so now can you hear me? If yes, type S in the chat box. I will share and we will discuss
Yes,
it.
sir, I
Okay.
can hear you.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah.
I can hear you.
Okay, we had this disturbance today. No problem. We will cover. Okay. Okay, Amma. Okay, we will do now. We will do now. Okay, let me share my screen first. Let me share my screen first. Okay, give me 2 minutes and let it sort it out again. Uh, So if you can see my screen, just type S in the chat box. If you can see my screen, and
Yes,
let
sir,
me
yes,
join in
yes.
one more device. So I think you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma.
Are you okay, sir?
A bit disturbance over there. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Okay then we will continue. Okay, there is bit problem with LAN, so these things. Okay. How many of you didn't understood? Okay, most of you have asked me to repeat this concept again from 31 to 39. We will do that once more, and we will see if you have any queries. So let's see this question once more time. One more time. Okay, 30 into 34. So first, yeah. Okay. So first, what you need to do? You need to track 34 with 50. So type it in the chat box. What is 50 minus 34? What is 50 minus 34? 26. Who said 26, right? I will beat you like anything. How is 26, yeah? Lalitesh, you are repeatedly giving the wrong answers. See, what is 50 minus 30? 16, yaar. Arey. 16, right? See, you can cross check it again. 16. 16, okay? Correct yourself, yes. So 16. You will write 16 square. What is 16 square? What is 16 square? 16 square. Now tell me what is 16 square? 16 into 16. Do it, no problem, but tell me the correct answer now. 16 into 16. We have seen the number multiplication. 19. Yes, 256. Very good. If you need to solve it, don't use your calculators and tell me. Okay. Okay then. See,
Okay, sir.
256. Now this is first part. This is first part. And
Yes.
the second part, what you need to do is subtract this 16 from 20. You need to subtract 16 from 25. We have 2 steps to follow. 2 steps to be followed. So consider this step. Our 2 is this. That is, you need to subtract 5. You need to subtract 25. 16 from 25. 25 minus 16. What is 25 minus 16? Put it in the chat box, your answer. Put your answer in the chat box. 16 minus 20, 25 minus 16, yes. It is 9. It is 9. Okay. Now 2 steps completed, na? Now the final step is your answer step. That is what you need to do. You need to make this all, it all at one place. That is 9 and 56. 256. So here our sub base, that is sub base number is 50. So we need to have only 2 digits. We need to have only 2 digits in each column. If you see this one as a column, you need to have only 2 digits. So what do you transfer to? You transfer to here. So 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. What is 9 plus 2? 11 and remaining 56. Yes or no? So the final answer is 11 and 50 and 56. You have the final answer is 156. Did you get it? If yes, type yes in the chat box and tell me the answer. Tell me the answer for 33. If you got it, type yes in the chat box and tell me the answer for 33 square. I will see. We will see it once more. Okay, no problem. See. So first step, what is the first step? Subtract the given number from 50.
Sir, you are struck.
Yeah, I think there is again the issue.
What we will
Please
do
wait.
is,
Now it is okay.
now next what is, your step is completed. Second step is, you will subtract 25 minus 16. You subtract 25 from 16. That is 9. Okay, you have 2 steps to proceed. And your final step is, put it all together. Can you see my screen, Amma?
No, sir, your presentation has stopped.
Okay. There is a problem with my connection. I think it's saying I can. So can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Yes, sir.
You can hear me. Okay, no problem. Now tell me how many of you got it on right. If you didn't get it, I will come to you. How many of you didn't understand it? I will come to you. Okay. Okay, how many? Okay, understood. Most of today. Okay, no problem. Very good, very good, very good. Now let me see. So friends, we will start next class next week. Just tell your friends who are interested to join this batch. Further information we will tell you in the group. Okay. Okay. Just tell me if you have a doubt with this concept. Just raise your hand. No. Just yes. If it is clear, just type yes. Okay. Okay. You have no doubt. Huh? Okay. Just tell me the answer for. No, tell the answer. 33 square. 33 into 33. Now tell me this answer. 30 into 33. How you will do it? Oh yeah. Brother, I have already given you answer. But you need to solve it. You don't put it in the calculator and give your answer. Do it very quickly if possible. Use your pen and paper and solve it. Take pen and paper with class here. Come with book and paper. Okay. Solve it. Okay, brother, very good. Laliteshwar, you are wrong. Check it again. And we'll solve it together. No problem. So see, we will solve it together. What is the first step? We need to subtract 33 from 50. That is 50 minus 33. What is 50 minus 33? 50 minus 33. 17. 17 or 18? How much? 17. Very good. 17. 50 minus 33 is 17. Yes or no? Yes. So now you will square of 17. Square of 17 is what? What is square of 17? 17 square. 17 square is 289. Yes. Now next, first step completed. Now second step. What is your second step? Subtract 17 from 25. That is 25 minus 17. What is 25 minus 17? What is 25 minus 17? Yes, Nugnia, tell me what is 25 minus 20? Yes, 8. Very good. 8. 8. Very good. Most of you have given your answers right. Now next what you will do. Last step. Put it all together. 8, a column or a line, whatever you call it, and 2, 8, 9. And now what you will do? Carry method. You will take 2 and add it to 8. You will take 2, add it to 8. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be what? 1089. Your final answer will be 1089. Your answer is 1089. Okay, did you get it? If yes, type yes in the chat box. How many of you got the answer right? Yeah, very good, very good. I'm happy for you. Very. If you have any doubt, no problem. Repeat it one again. Just raise your hand, ask your doubt. No problem. Okay. Just raise your hand and ask your doubt. Or else we will proceed. You've already taken 15 minutes extra. No problem. If you have any doubt, just raise your hand. Shada. Okay, what is your doubt, Nana? Tell me.
Sir, nothing, sir.
Okay, you raise your hand. Okay, no problem. Just down your hand, Amma. If you have no doubt. Okay, friends. Now tell me for 34 you have already given. 34 we have given. 35 we will do our technique, na? 35. What is 35? 30 me? What is 35 in 35? You can do directly. Yes. 1225. 1225. Very good. Now what is 36 into 36? Do it slowly. Tell me the correct answer. 36 into 36. 36 into 36. same method, 36 into 36. If you have any doubt, we will solve it together. If you don't tell me the answer, no problem. Let me check in the chat box. Are you solving it or not? Okay, solve it and carefully. Don't make mistakes. I want to convey you one thing. Actually, most of you are not reading the question in assignment properly. Question options also carefully, because you are directly taking the options, silly mistakes. Don't do that, okay? Sharanya have given her answer. Jerna also given her answer. Jerna is right. Okay. Did anyone raise your hand or what? No? Okay.
Sir,
Okay, Yashashree, very good. Priyanka, tell me.
the class time is over, sir.
Okay, Amma, you can leave. Actually, we just wrap it up. Actually, time completed. We have taken 15 minutes extra since we have this problem. No problem.
Yes,
You can
sir.
leave the class. We won't discuss. We will just see. And if you have any doubt in the previous classes, just we will discuss your doubts. And if you don't have any doubt, just tell me one last question. Okay, if you have given your answer, just tell me 13 into 10 and leave the class. If you don't have any doubt, solve it carefully, 39 into 39, and leave the class. Or else if you have any other activities, or you need to have some pressure, you can go. Stay safe and just solve this question and you can leave the class. Okay, 15-20 bucks, very good. Suhan, yes, very good. Chakra, yes, very good. Laliteshwar, 15-21, yes, 15-21, very good. Zarina, very good. Zarina, Laliteshwar, very good. Nima, Shabash. Okay, you can leave, no problem. We don't have any. Okay, bye. If you have any doubts, just stay and clarify your doubt. Okay. Sharanya, very good, Amma. Very good. Yes, Chakra, that you can leave your class. Okay.
Will you, sir?
Okay, Amma, if you don't have any doubt, most of you have given your answers and leave the class. Okay, Amma, have a nice day. Bye. Stay safe. We will meet tomorrow and we will get to you. Okay. If you missed any of these topics or if you joined it, you watch the recording. If our Abhinav said it. And if you have any doubt, just raise your hand from back to first day, from first till now. You have any doubt, you can discuss with me. Okay, Vanika raise her hand, I will come to you. And you can leave the class, Amma, no problem. Okay, Amma, thank you. Bye.
Sir, if there are no doubts, we can leave.
Yes, Amma, Srinivas, you can leave. You can leave. You can leave. Yes. Okay, Sana sir has said, na, recording will be shared, you can see it. Okay, Amma, bye. Thank you, Nilima. Okay, Jarina, bye. Okay, Mavnika, tell me, you didn't get one concept, na? Which is the concept? Did you got this concept from 31 to 39? Did you understood it?
You said that I have to first understand that. No, sir, I didn't get this also properly.
That is not related with it. You are not concentrating it. Then it is not related only. See, okay. First, let me tell you. No problem. No problem. See it slowly and carefully. No problem. See now. See, first, I will tell you from 31 to 39, and afterwards we will see the class doubt that you have. Okay. See. For any number, do you want square? What is square? Tell me.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
What is the scenario? I think there is no such problem. Can you hear me now? Varnika, I'm waiting for your reply if you can hear. Okay then. Chalo, tell me now. Hello.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you properly.
I think there won't be any problem as such. So wait, let me check. Hello, Vanika, can you hear me? Okay, now can you hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now. See, now we will see the squares part from 31 to 39 first. You should listen this, that is not related. I didn't say that, you are just pushing on me. See, listen carefully. So in these squares from 30, actually the squares from 31 to 79 are based on a concept of sub-base method. Sub-base method, where we will take the reference as the square of 50. What is 50 square?
Sir,
What is 50 square, Amma? 50 square.
50 square.
That is 5 into 5. What is 5 into 5?
25.
25. After that, add 2 zeros to 25. 25 is 2500. Okay. Vanika, which standard, Amma, we are? Just let me confirm so that I can go.
I finished 4th.
Okay, no problem, no problem. See, now from for squares from 31 to 79, we will use this sub-base method to solve. Okay, you put this all things aside and see how to solve the squares from 31 to 39. 31 to 39. Okay, you can get me now. You can understand me. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes. So now let us see any example from 31 to 39. For example, see, I already have this on screen. So I am telling you 33 into 33. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have 3 steps for that. We have basically 3 steps for that. So step 1. For step 1, what you will do? You will subtract the given number with 50. That is 50 minus 33. What is 50 minus 33? Tell me. Do it and tell me. No problem.
Seventeen.
17. Very good. 17. So now 17 square. Did you listen the part of squares from 11 to 19? How to solve squares from 11 to 19?
That only I have doubts, sir.
Arey Baba. Okay then. See, no problem. See, 11 to 19. You didn't attend our first class then, or second class?
In the middle, I missed it, sir. In the last,
Arey yaar. You should be regular yaar. Okay. No problem. See, you should read.
square, sir. I only know that 25 and 35 like that.
Okay, that part you understood. Okay. See now, for this now, what you need to do for any square from 11 to 19, you have simple step, that is write 1 and put a dash, and then for example, give me any number from 11 to 19 square. For 11 square to 19 square, just tell me any number from 11 to 19.
16.
Okay, 16. So 16 into 16. Now what you need to do? First, put 1 and a dash after that. Okay. and now add the ones place digits, that is 6. In ones place what we have? 6. 6 plus 6 how much? What is 6 plus 6?
12.
12. 1, 2, 12. Okay. Then now multiply the ones place digit. Now multiply the ones place digit. What is the ones place digit here?
6.
6. Now 6 multiplied with 6. What is 6 into 6?
6 are 36.
Shabash, very good. 36. 36. Now see, here we have a base as 10. That in the sense you should have each column or each separation should have only one digit. Okay. Each separation should have only one digit. But see here 2 digits are there na, 36. Here also 2 digits are there, 12. So what you will do? You will take this number 3 and you will send to the side box, next box beside it, and you will add this. What is 12 plus 3?
15.
15. Very good. And see, 15 means 2 numbers na, 2 numbers. So we need only how many numbers we want in each box or set?
1.
1. So you will take the number 1 and transfer here. Now what is it? 1 plus 1 is? 2. Very good. 2. So you are remained with 2 dash 5 dash and 6. Now see, each set have only one number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So your final answer will be 256. 256.
Okay, sir.
Now, did you have any doubt in this part? Just tell me. Should I repeat it again?
Yeah, sir. One more time.
Okay. Now we will do with 17. Since we need 17 na, we will do with 17. See. Okay. Okay. Now you see. For 17, as always, you should help me. Okay. We will do it together. Okay. Chalo. 17 into 17. So first step is put 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Put 1 and put a dash or a line. And followed by what you need to do? You need to
Add the ones place.
shabash. Very good. You need to add the ones place. That is 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7?
14.
14. Very good. 14. Very good. Yes. Now put a dash. And now what you need to do?
You have to multiply 7 into 7.
Shabash. Very good. What is 7 into 7 then? Tell me. Very good. 49. 49. So next step, last and final step is carry method. We will do carry method. Yes, carry method. So say me how many words, how many numbers we should have in each set?
1.
3? 1. Okay then. Now what you will do? You will take this 4 and add to 14. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what is 14 plus 8? 14 plus 4.
18.
18. Very good. 18 also we have 2 digits in the set. And 18. You took this 4 out now, so it is left with 9 only. Na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have 1 over here. And you take this one
Plus
and carry here. 2. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Very good. 2. A dash. Followed by 8. A dash. 9. Now see. We have each set with how many words? Yes. What is the answer? 289. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Now I got it.
Very good. Very good. Then now what you will do? Now, okay. Now it is clear or bit confusing?
No, sir. That
No.
is clear only.
Now it's clear. Okay. Then no problem. Okay. Then now see. Now we have got how to get this 18 square. 17 square. Yes or no? What is 17 square now you got? Tell me. What is the 17 square? 289. So 289, remember it and put it aside. Okay. Now next you do the second step. Second step is what? You subtract 17 from 25. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First you will subtract 50 from 33 and you will get the square of the resultant number. And second, what you will do? You will take that resultant number and subtract with 25. So what is 25 minus 17? Tell me what is 25 minus 17? Minus 17. Okay, no problem. Solve. What is it? 8. Very good. 8. So now second step is completed. So now the third step is you will take all together, that is put 8 first and put a dash and write 289. 289. So remember Nana, here the base, sub base is how much? 50 na?
50.
Sub base is 50. So we need to have 2 digits in the carry. I mean in the each set you need to have 2 digits. If you have 3 digits, what you should do now? You need to take it and send it to the next part. Next part in the sense which side? Left side. And you need to add with 8. Now what you will do now? You will add 2 to 8. What is 8 plus 2?
10.
What is 8 plus 2?
10.
10. Very good. 10. Now what you will do? Now 8 plus 2 is 10 na? 10 dash or a line and 89. See, now satisfied na? See, we have 2 digits in the each set. So your final answer has come. That is
1089.
Shabash, very good. 1089. 1089. Okay. Did you get it, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we will solve one question together and you will help me with that. One more small query. Did you understand the squares from 21 to 29? That part?
That, no, sir.
Okay, no problem. Actually, if I say it now, it would be a load for you. What we will do? We will learn this part tomorrow. This is not related with this. Okay? We will see this tomorrow. Okay? Okay. Now we will solve one question of that from 31 to 39 section. Okay? You please attend regularly, Amma. You busy because of you. See, you got some extra time of you wasted. Okay? No problem. No problems. Now tell me any number from 31 to 39. Some big number.
31.
We will solve it together.
38.
Any number? 38. Okay, we will solve it together. We saw 37 already. Now we will do 38. Yes. So now step 1. What is step 1? Tell me.
You have to
Subtract.
subtract with 38 with 50.
Shabash. Very good. Very good. 50 minus 38. Very good, Amma. Now what is 50 minus 38? Shabash, very good. 12. Now what you will do for this number? We will find the square of 12. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we will find square of 12 with the technique that we already know. From 11 to 19 we use technique. Now we will solve that one now. 12 into 12. For 12 into 12 what we will do? We will put 1 first
Yes.
and a dash or a line. Now what you will do next?
We have to add 2 plus 2 and it is 4.
Super, very good. 2 plus 2 is 4 and the line or a dash. Next.
Multiplied with 2.
Very good, very good. That is 2 into 2. What is it?
4.
4. So as per our base requirement, we should have only one digit in each section.
Yes.
So your final answer will be how much?
144.
144. Very good. Super, super. So now put 144 here and we will leave it that like. Okay, you will leave it aside. We will come to it later. Now we will do the second step. Tell me what is the second step?
You have to subtract with 25.
With half of 50. Yes, super, super. Very good, very good. 25 with what?
25 minus with 12, no sir, 12.
Yes, Amma, super, very good. We need to subtract 25 from the number that we have got by subtracting 15 minus 38. That is 12. Very good, very good. You are on track. Very good. Now tell me 25 minus 12. What is 25 minus 12?
13.
Yes, shabash. 1, 3, 13. Now what is the third step?
We have to put the
Yes, we will put it all together. Yes. That is 13, a line or a separation, and 144. Now how many digits we should have in each section? Since the base is, sub base is 50. Yes, 2. Very good. So now what you will do in order to do that?
carry 1 to 13.
Super, super, very good. So you will carry 1 to 13. So now what you will get that resultant? That is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14 and a separation. And
44.
very good, 44. So you will have final answer as
1444.
yes, 1444. Did you get it, Nana? Tell me.
Yes sir.
Okay, super then. So now what you do na? You practice this part carefully from 31 to 39 and 11 to 19. You said you understood the numbers ending with 5 part na?
Yes sir.
Is it? Yes, super then. So tomorrow we will discuss the squares part from 21 to 29. Okay, no problem for that. You should wait for end because most of our friends will also get bored before listening the same topic. That is why. Okay. And if I tell you now, that would be a load for you. That is why I'm not repeating it. Okay, I'm not telling this part. You just revise till here. And did you understand the additions part and subtraction part, Amma?
Yeah sir, that I
Yes, no. Shabash, very good then. So now carefully practice it once. And did you submit? Are you submitting your assignments regularly?
Yeah sir.
Yes, then very good then. And solve today's assignment and do it carefully. And if you have any doubt, you can ask tomorrow. Ask Amma.
Sir, today's assignments you'll send today only.
Yes, Amma. Since we have completed our class today, na, I'll send today only. Okay. Okay, Amma. Right. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye. Stay safe. Okay, Amma. Bye. You can leave now. You can leave.
Thank you sir.
Okay, Amma.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I think we can wind up the session.
Yes, Abhinav, we will wind up our session. Okay. Bye.
Yes, I thank every participant for participating today's session. Thank you so much.